Hey guys, and welcome to the 10th day of Christmas. Can you believe that Christmas is only 2 days away? Today, we're going to talk about differential negative reinforcement of alternative behavior. Why? Because every time I do mock questions in our coaching group, what I find is people have never heard of this. You just skipped over this section of Cooper, right? So we know we have differential reinforcement of alternative behavior. And sometimes you'll see this really weird looking version of differential reinforcement of alternative behavior, where instead of writing DRA, they're writing DNRA. So what is that all about? Well, all it simply means is that you're using differential reinforcement of alternative behavior, right? You're teaching a functionally equivalent way of achieving the same goal, but it's specifically referring to negative reinforcement or escape behaviors. So you're essentially asking for an aversive stimulus or demand to be removed. So simply asking for a break is an example of differential negative reinforcement of alternative behavior. So I wanted to make this video. It's obviously not a very hard concept to understand, but it's one you may not have heard of and you may see on your exam. So let's look at a mock question that uses differential negative reinforcement of alternative behavior. So if you do see in your exam, you have an idea of what it may look like. Okay, guys, so let's look at this question. It says Coral is a BCBA working with a 3-year-old girl, Vicky. Vicky will throw things on the floor when a demand is placed on her. Which is the most appropriate form of differential reinforcement to use to address this? Well, now you should know the answer, so please drop it in the comments below. I did want to share, guys, I have that intensive on sale everyone's been asking for on my website. If you don't already know, you haven't heard the good news, I'm putting out an experimental design intensive. Why? Because it is for a lot of people, the most challenging topic. It certainly was for me when I studied, and I got really, really good at it because I knew I needed to really know experimental design to pass my exam. So if you're struggling with experimental design, head over to my website, hopeeducationservices.com. Under the store tab, under BCBA prep resources, I have an intensive experimental design workshop. It'll be about 3 to 4 hours long. You'll get a mock to take home, and it'll go over everything you need to know about experimental design. So check that out. Visit my site, hopeeducationservices.com. I've got a lot of requests to make videos on specific topics, which I'm so excited about. If you have a request, simply drop it in the comments of this video, and I'll make a video for you.